Hello survivors! PuppetMaster is the next installation from my book, Ode to my NarcEnstein. This is Poetry for Today. Life can become such a disaster, being in the arms of a puppet master. Manipulation is their elation. With a pull of each string, they continue to bring you into submission. This is not superstition. These demonized zombies who dare and pretend successfully that they actually care. But behind their lurking disguise, your integrity they do despise. Knowing all well they can't be like you. They steal your energy and toy with your joy. Up and down, turned all around, they have you hanging by threads. Succumbing to the whims of the puppet master, you will find yourself in total disaster.